London to Ghana, yeah. BWF in the house, let's go. Integrity, excellence, we rise together. We stand with you. We stand with you. BWF, when the path is tough, we'll pull you through. From Seven Sisters to Accra too. We stand with you. We stand with you. On the high road in London town, 2028 on a house we're found. And Christine the sound. Family, immigration, wills and probate, we're around. 30 years strong in the game. We got a law in our name. When life gets heavy, we lift the weight. Together we claim the fame. Oh, you want a dream? You need a team. BBUF by your side, shine like the stream. From Accra's Golden Dawn to London City Gleam.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
And DAB+.
Okay, yamu bi akwa biam fambra Rainbow 92.4 FM ebusia. Medi di nana to jego OPD de sakara ne pe me na maji penie ene BWF Solicitors ebe twetwe nkomo na ye na nkoma ho no so ye de abro ntime so what journey conversation a meka o say na what time ku me pe me bebia ho na to na won so to me the prediction e de aba na bibia so tumi akama sa so na obetumi etie media ni be live e wo ye Facebook wo Rainbow Radio UK na afi so wetumi etie media ni sa so wetumi etie media ni bia na so wa hwe media ni be live e wo BWF Solicitors Facebook wo any on YouTube wo media ni twegu na no pay na no so wetumi ahwebi wetumi leave comment so no so yebaje mene na radio ni akankan mo so na DAB Plaza no so yes to me live for so na Alexa tune in woko Amazon TV, Roku TV, Fire TV, Rainbow Radio yes to me live for 100 people wetumi so I join the conversation na bibia so wetumi akama ma menko ahoma so na mene Uncle Ben enkwashe enkomatutwira sina fi yenhwe bibia dem common before once again the names to remain na tutujegu OPD that second Uncle Ben, good morning.
OPD, good morning.
Na bibia go there
Adumo
metonka pa
na also want to say
nyame adom
holiday
Ai baby me want me movie if you work with you in time and move pick a cantina ma but you go so to tunya ma continue na you be
Oh, good,
what I will
good.
be
Sana
a very
chese,
kind
scano, abrucere, scano ba na we Johnny Akoshe, classic crack. It's a
like
white
I
man.
saying I saying
Anɔpɛ
powerful
OPD yɛkyia Dr. Mark, yɛkyia Irene, yɛkyia Rainbow Radio fo nyinaa,
okay
mekyia Rainbow Radio Ghana. Ɛnɛ wo a wopɛ sɛ woka yɛ ho no, kɔ BWF Solicitors website, Rainbow Radio website, Rainbow Radio DAB, ɛna London baabi a wobɛkye up to Milton Keynes. Ɔmo wɔ hɔ. Wokɔ YouTube nso a BWF Solicitors YouTube. Yɛka sisi a wɔn yi baabi a yɛsi Rainbow Radio anɔpɛ yi yɛda mo ase nso sɛ mo abɛka yɛn ho especially mo a mo asɔre ntɛm a mo bɛka yɛn ho no because ɛnɛ no yɛbɛka biribi a ɛfa kurofoɔ no nyinaa British citizenship because sɛbi obi a ɔwɔ kurom a biara no sɛ nyame yɛ n'adom a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ British apart from ɔmo a ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmo kɔyɛ politics wɔ Ghana no ɔmo na ebi ɔmo nyia. But yeah, wɔ ha nyinaa no a yɛbaa ha no yɛanwo yɛn wɔ ha nti ɔyibi ɔmo a yɛwɔ ɔmo wɔ ha koraa no ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ British nti ɛnɛ ɛne na yɛde bɛgu hɔ na me nua ketewa OPD sɛ ɔyɛ krado a yɛbɛhyɛ aseɛ na yɛakeka agu.
Wadauruma and the wash has see a media na say me the platform no mo na afi no woni a sha say the topic and I say and the update be all the me na afi you and your your topic of the day Wadauruma nti fa yewru man keben Wadauruma
Yo OPD and update wo ho I'm say ya my ho video ama ɛwɔ your TikTok page na your website and your Facebook but the yɛn nyinaa anim ne sɛ mo a moyɛ British no anaa mokɔgye indefinite no afe wei pa ho a bosome ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa a yɛfrɛ no March no English language no ɛbɛyɛ den.
okay
Afe wei pa ho na mo a mokɔpɛ indefinite ɛne life in UK indefinite ɛna British citizenship sɛ afe wei pa ho ne yɛsi March mu a ɛba abɛyɛ den. Den na ɛbɛyɛ. Yɛbɛkukuru afiri B1 akɔ B2. Yɛayɛ adwene sɛ wiki biara yɛbɛbɔ so because sɛbe yɛkurumfo ɛnyɛ ɔmo nyinaa na ɔmo tie. Deɛ nti ɛbɛyɛ den ne sɛ sisi a language no hwɛ a ɛyɛ O level. Yɛde bɛkɔ A level. A level adeɛ na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ advanced level. Yɛsi sisi a no mo a mo betumi apaase B1 no sɛ woanusua deɛ a nyɛ likely sɛ wobɛpaase B2 British citizenship ɛyɛ the same nti indefinite ana British citizenship ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛbɛyɛ affect you biara ɔmo a ɛbɛsan affect ɔmo ɛyɛ ɔmo a ɔmo wɔ ha skilled workers because skilled workers no sɛ woyɛ health route na woyɛ B1 wonyɛ B2 but from March next year no yɛbɛkukura kɔ B2 nti very likely sɛ wobɛyɛ skilled workers abusuafoɔ nso ɛyere ekun ɛba mma no a wɔbɛdi 18 at the time no sɛ nyɛ adeɛ ɔmo ayɛ O level wɔ ha a ɔmo nso bɛyɛ saa English mo nyinaa mobɛyɛ life in UK nti ɛyɛ key ɛnora meyɛ update bi na case bi aba mo a mowɔ ha yɛtwitwa mo asetena nim skilled worker yɛagye license na nneɛma aban no abam aban no sɛ decision no bi wɔ hɔ a ɛnyɛ ne kwan so nti aban no tiam ama wahyehyɛ kwan nti sɛ home office foɔ no yɛ decision no a yɛwɔ nneɛma bi a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmohwɛ sɛ ɔmanhwɛ saa nneɛma no na ɔmotwa asetena mu anaa ɔmogye wo sponsor no asetena a ɛno nso ɛyɛ problem deɛ mepɛ sɛ mede twa toɔ koraa ɛyɛ mo a mokɔyɛ British citizenship obi wɔ hɔ a na ɔpɛ ne ntɛm ɔpɛ sɛ otu kɔtena Ghana ɛno nti na ɔgye British no ɔmo de wei aba a wobɛtumi ayɛ ne ntɛm a yɛfrɛ no priority service kyerɛ sɛ na woyɛ indefinite leave anaa woyɛ leave to remain a wotumi yɛ priority a 1 week yɛde ma wo ebi koraa wɔ hɔ a 24 hours na de ama wo saa nso na nationality no wɔyɛ a wotua £500 a within 1 month no na ɔmo de ama wo enti ɛno nso yɛ good news Now, this is what it tells me. The catcher minister say, Omo bema be more priority. Now, more standard application and KD up to 6 months. I know be quite because a buying opinions are can be not the also the highest. It is kind of the much as a more muntia extra 500, and men cast a sign of a banner, but I possible 7 month application. It will be our British citizenship. So open in Tama, and if you need 1,826, will be to your £500 account. Mr. House, a sign of person where you're sure so when near my what application, BBR. A Juma and your compulsory. A Juma and your compulsory. What your benefiter, we need problem, will be to me British citizenship. But so would Jina 6-1, and I say we Jina also I knew an hour area. I was so show BB, I just what and a half 5 years. To normally be sa ABR P60s for 5 years, council tax for 5 years, and our documents be a chair, and our passport and so on. We use it over the 5-year period and we'll be here. We'll be saying here address what so what an address for 5 years, and that's okay. What worry that on be here? What ya worry that on be here? O mommy ding, o papa ding, baby I war on date of birth on be here. Crucially, we'll be here and conform you I'm on my general as referees. Na almost sign and crater an amount. Na bibi bar on my general amount. Inti ene we ne updater the person melema.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. I think say the wabosi yin yan so mutie so eti ebe 200 more so. Na whatever ma citizenship no mpanyimfo nkwa na nkwala so eka ho say bia ho pese wonye wonya wodi antama how we to £500 account for wo twe wodi abe ni mu no kan kwala so ana say specific for only mpanyimfo nkwa whatever ma
for bia nkwala citizenship no aya enche normally acha 3 months now. It was per cash now person utia ebia oba person ko France you know ya woma wa ha no musisa no baby omota akopa ya France obe won say one day no omakwa omo the bus akwa I don't know obi etimi ko bi those days no akola no ni paper crowd timi ko teacher throw letter egu letter head so omo du border ha na omo twem because when you say teacher no de no kwa obesan de naba oba no ni paper ultimate ko enti yes nkola nso omutimeje ema omo eno nso ba nkola application obetimi aye ni free akola bia wo apply for British citizenship amano so ya akola nko dia obetimi aye ni free because fee ni 1,000 na 1,002 o mate so about 1,000 but obetimi aye ni free your friend fee waiver we fee waiver. There's an our application fee waiver. All your bank statements, pay slips, why our list of Nema Mudi, Ntaria share, Sky and our Seno, or bank statements can be also more than £200 BR. Why explain it? Maybe a scanny fee and I maybe a scan of coin. Now they are because Obano no Yajuma, Tuna or Koyamano. Now what the account now I am.
Wow. Well, now, akwala dia making na obviously sending message na okay say OPD bia na wotua £500 the amount wo buy say bia opesa wo buy we ya na di entam na bia na ma kwa request bibi bia letter bi fi wasa kwa gifi school na make say school so break here law ni pa bi sa no ni efficiency den like say bia e ba affecting wo enyoma bi hu for obetumi nya na application in term no because we trace kasa also nya na bi wo kwa na wa ya 24 hours bi na ya san request bi so on bla o koja ad na fi school na school no e bi o mama kwan nipa no be den na otumi associated with that application
and school letters no mo ma nketwa no every week every month every term unya letter every be a report come a man susano now we corner open day na be a parents evening na drawing be our draw cartoon be our year now koshe and I say work be our year I will teacher not trans in modin komo Nti normally normal report. Amateur reports the ba. Nneɛma bebree ana sisi a na m sɛ nkɔla no obiara wɔ portal. Yɛ those days a na yɛ mma no susa no na saa nneɛma no bi ni hɔ. Adeɛ a ɛwɔ hɔ ayɛ wotua ne lunch fee ama no. Sisi a na m sɛ ɔmo nyinaa wɔ portal a ɔmo lectures ne biribiara gu hɔ. Nti school ama kwan koraa wobɛtumi ayɛ. Ebi awɔ old one bi wɔ wobɛtumi de akɔ. GP nso wɔ hɔ a wobɛtumi akɔ akɔgye lecture no. Ti ɛno nti no ma ɛno ɛnsi wo kwan. Wowɔ saa problem na wo ne GP nkasa anaa ahwɛ old lectures ɛwɔ hɔ. Na ma home office hu sɛ school no ama kwan.
Okay. Very good. Waka a drawings asɛm na wama maka meba ketewa na mekɔ hwɛ. Ya friends yɛ mehwɛ yɛ deɛ yɛkɔ wa draw na ma me kama. Me nko ara wa draw me tiri pati na me sigi bade. Bon ben da mbe. Uncle Ben, mami ma ofa topic of the day into us na iga. Yɛmfa deɛ ɔhɔ so me tie. Fonti fa yɛ to aso.
And the topic of the day is British citizenship in 2026. The hidden rules. Hidden rules, I said, near maybe why a name course. The full say ABR, no one is a wakoye. Sani man, why ready here? And then I bet me a how. And I said, bet me about application. And Tianeno, maybe bubu near maybe so. Do na ye name dada, but me the emphasis bebaso. Sana betri obiara so because they have a brain assessment. My videos about 3 videos on this particular area. Nti ni nyina na me dia bom na na me pesa me kan because you obiara ano hu sa video. Nti the first rule am pesa me hu ne say or indefinite leave and guarantee say obenya British. The fact say or indefinite rule and guarantee say obenya British citizenship. Because me repeat it. And so now we British citizenship. I was say indefinite leave from 24. But say indefinite leave and just we British citizenship. You will never be a was and for example, say I can 5-year route and under 6-1 and a shadow 1. So 5-year route now you can. 1. What na continuously? You can say continuously a day into a soul. And so 5-year route na ye can obi or British biano or last 5 years and I was what na legally. Oh yeah, application now I overstay for more than 14 days. Oh yeah, application almost rejected almost 10 working days. What they call it? Oh yeah, application now you ma indefinite now. Now yeah, we call it first year. Maybe I'll for 10-year route. Oh yeah, break be bear. When you be a friend of section 3C, and at 39E, and as SUI 13.1. Sani manu nyina ehu hia. The nti ehu hia ne say, so we have British citizenship. Your requirements be wo ho a mashada listed. Enti the first requirement and it say time I will start with 5 years. Enti 5 years and eligible British citizenship under 6-1. Under 6-2, ukun and our year British 3 years. Enti 5 years now all kind 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 no. So 5 years I work now ha. I mean my example. OPD. Who your friend OPD. Or you read the Abamansa. Or apply my Sebra UK. When you are visa, you are 2.5 years for Ghana. We be do her April 2021. And I will be do her. Until April 2026, no. Like I said, what and a half 5 years.
5 years, yeah.
Okay. April 2021, I will be do here, no. What name we call it? Be 1 month, 2 months, no about. Sa problem be any. 2026, we call Ghana February. Over June. Over back to June. Meboa. April, and 5 years, no sorry. Sa 5 years, no. Now we call no we have.
Debbie, what was penny view?
Absolutely. But when we say what now 5 years? It is about 5 years, no we have. You're very careful. Oko count 5 years now. You sure said first one, number 1, now last number 5, now Enti hwɛ na mɛwɔ ha. 2. Obi nso wɔ hɔ a ne ama no 2.5 years anaa ɔde EU pre-settled status ne bae anaasɛ ɔyɛ EU application ɛwɔ kurom ha. Ɔware 2019 yɛde maa no yɛmfa nsɛ 2021. Enti ɔno deɛ ɔfeel sɛ ɔbɛyɛ application no 2026. Saa nipa no a yɛde maa no bear in mind sɛ 2019 ana ɔware yɛde maa no 2021. Saa 2021 yɛde maa no Kai said from 2019 to 2021, no overstay. Okay. From 2021 to 2026, what's not lawfully, but overstay and sunny a day man. Overstay, 10 years of mine. Oko part suitability, and that's where I get deadly for Crawford brain. So we have British citizenship. Now I overstay for more than 14 days, very likely some be refused. Until then, I was away. I was so explaining. Near my almost say, I'm fine, Trawaso, or a Jumawa, or if you are, because if you are, if you are what, or Mawaha, what's in a hatchet, or yeah, a Juma voluntary work for community. So, Sanya money be our brabo man. Na if you want overstayed or by one for a person a buyer, still no, although say who overstay and sana ya the EU's we no ma ubetimi aginaso. Baby so your friend no exceptional grant. So exceptional grant no, utimi ginaso at the case minimum rano. Particularly about character no means so because my call was speeding. A traffic offense. My drink drive, my fakwa pass on a buy, ma ya catch them say min kofi manko, me the NHS forecast. Sa character problems ni nyina. Etimi ma wo faili, but ubetimi aye bibi a friend of exceptional grant. And no so mo hwa omo de bema. The other one me pesa meka eno say number 2, your friend bibi a friend of residential requirement. Obi a wa ha bia no o first every year bia of 5 years now we use no eni say watena outside for more than 90 days into 90 times 5 ay 450 why no ye 5 year omo a omukun ana mo yere enye British 3 why na ye 3 year omo a omukun ana omo yere mo eye British. It's only 270. Ana ebi enso ye 450. Enti sa residential requirement no. So watena ha nko for 5 years eni say watena outside in the 5 years no for more than 450 days.
That number is used in some locations for
Enti so watena ha for more than watena ha 5 years wo koje British citizenship. Now in the 5 years no what the more than 450 days ebetimi aha. Enti then I obey. You will be your friend exception. What is that make 450 for 5 years? And I said 270 for 3 years. Well, last year, no, and he said what's not outside for more than 90 days. Both 3 years, a year British. And now 5 years, a year any British. And I wouldn't and I wouldn't year. But your exception. I started from 450. I call 570. Timiko 900. And in the 5 years, you know, what's now outside for more than 500 days, 600 days, 700 days, 800 days, up to 900 days. We bet me a year, but I was so justify. You saw, say those days now, yeah, near ball courts, near football courts. So hopefully, person who team, echo team for your friend will justify your inclusion. And you know, when you bought 5 aside, and me a left winger, and near from your psychophy. And I don't know, course, be a I was so justify the entire I want to hear the best player. Because now obiara person kobo team na your friend millionaires. And over justify or inclusion. So na watena outside for more than 450 days. Now koje wo British citizenship. Ubetimi a justify wo inclusion. So I justify wo inclusion no. Ebi na maka no. 1, wache wo kromo ha. 2, wo ma wo kromo ha. 3, wo adwuma wo kromo ha. 4, wo fie wo kromo ha. Enti yeso de ha ye wo home.
Yeah.
Baby a wo de aye wo home no, ene se wo de ho aye wo krom. Enti wo hwa a link to length of residence and our activity. Enti eno nso key. Mo amukun ne mo yere British no. Mo de no kra less. 270 days in the 3 years. And I say up to 450 days. Ebi kra letimi ko up to 500. But ni nyina no I was so justifiable inclusion. The last year 12 months no make I say no more than 90 days. Ebetimi akọ up to 180 days. But and also I was so justifiable inclusion. Saa de American anya say no one say wa fill with form. I was say woman explanation. We justify with evidence. We are supporting. Now we quote to omo law na a kyerɛ sɛ undi yemra so kra still you bit me the amount.
Okay.
Emra no away. Ewo omo guidance notes under character. Omo friend exceptional grant and exceptional reasons. So our reasons ni nyina no bet me a quote na what dey aye. Yeba good character. Anything. Suban pa. Enye criminal conviction. Enye se wa drive my yacho. Enye se wa drink drive. Enye se wa kotwi week akra my yacho. Ko ha no unum wi e mfa unko prison. But you betimi ama caution. Ko wi class B. Ana wakofa amphetamine na yacho. Ana se mo a sabe muntua mo ne ama no. Enti nye sa criminal conviction in America. Meka unpaid taxes. Meka bankruptcy issue. Meka fraud. Meka benefit fraud. Meka dishonesty. Ti unkano kre. Meka immigration breaches. Meka deception. Meka drink drive. Meka when disclosing information. 1. Obi wawa oba UK no. Okofa Liberia passport. Ano de buy. Onya na sitina wi o si da be me Ghana ni. It's okay. When I was so justified in your Ghana ni. Yes, your constitution is obi a ne nana ana ne papa na ne maame ye Ghana ni. Ye wo kro bia be wo so bia no ye Ghana ni. Nti bia ni ntina ye Ghana ni. That's fine. Your date of birth here 13th of April 1985. Kama was sitina wi o si me date of birth 13th of April 1965. Sir, dishonesty, non-disclosure of information, withholding of information, ni nyina ebetimi affect or British citizenship. Ukoye benefit fraud. Last me my example. Say, obo we car wash, we baba no. Do ne ntua tax. Enti ube hu se one ne yerete. Na na yere na gi benefit. No de oye di sika na week no wanya 2000, no de gu ni botu ntua. Problem ne say, sa nkrofo we nyina no. Se ye chiwa na wokoye wo British citizenship na. Ebetimi affect you. Bankruptcy. Ene say bi a wo de ka wontua. Wo de NHS for ka oni omonye nhihye. But bankruptcy ne kire say ye de wako court. Ama ya ye bu for say we ye obi a wo de ka wontua.
Tina say yam obi amfa won kokota eno na mbem won.
But tie.
Okay.
The friend BB, your friend dishonesty. Waje wakoto TV. Wakoje credit ya omo yebi. Ano credit omo friends say high purchase we say
that. Yeah.
Wakoje overdraft 2000. We die wie wentua. Wakoje Barclays card. Meaning say still Barclays card ro ho. And also when the move 2000 went to what could you loan 4,000 what the year holiday only money near Maoko went to nkrofo ye chase wa amodo wa court yamao CCJ county court judgment 1 2 3 4 5 6 a bad character nti wan say nya bankruptcy a bad character what the NHS ka more than £500 when chia what the government called judicial review ulusui what the bank 1,002 a more than 500 when chia a bad character enti saa nneɛma nkete ya yɛma yɛ ni nkɔhoni ne nyinaa affect your British citizenship over the fourth one illegal entry from the 10th of February 2025 obi a ɔba akromo a menka sɛ after that before obi ɔba akromo a biara wamfa kwan pa so wangye visa ne bae we use different name or obi a sɛbe wo the boat ne bae wo bɛyɛ tu nhyɛm na wo de bae enti woni entry a ne nyinaa etimi fa then the other one I'm a person maker immigration history overstaying illegal working until we adwuma illegally o visa condition yado buy yesi men kwaje benefit wakwaje benefit yesi wuntimi nko school wako school when you use false document mo my main focus wa na me ma me nuanum advice OPD me hu se omo wo COS no se omo COS no bewu ana yagye a nkrofo bi ema omo ye EU application ube hu se ose ne nanani ose me papa ni ose me wofani me sremo sa nkrofo ni nyina wiki nkwa menya be for wa ha omo de sa problem na ba ha omo ji mu sika di omo ye EU application amamo first omo ma false information two omo produce false document because omo koye new birth certificate enti sa nkrofo ni nyina no ebe affect we indefinite affect na ebe affect your British citizenship enti wonim say wa ha with COS we are skilled worker ebe wieye wako obi ho osio meye bibia mawo ye friend no EU maka se wona na eye EU ni first question me bisa ni panel say wona na ye EU ni o say ai oye EU ni o say ai aya wona na nkasa o say ai aya wona na ana say ya wona na adamfo osio lawyer wo wa unim bi no osio obeye no menana na nipa na oye sa no oye den no aye because onye wona na enti wo birth certificate na connect nipa no osio wa ye birth certificate amame at the moment no omo sheda enka omo ho on the birth certificate the omo kan ne say koye DNA and answer birth certificate ni new into yam farmer but very soon omo ba be ka say birth certificate ni fake because say onye wo na wakoye birth certificate waye wo new birth certificate waye wo papa na wo maame ye ne papa na ne maame no waye ono so new birth certificate wo maame e bia wadi 50 years, 60, 70, 80. I don't know the birth certificate. It tells me says any money a fake. It's a non so no more moya sano. Monya very careful because sad dishonesty no. So who koye any application. Ebia who COS be wunti wakoye EU application. Now we should be a one na. Why are dishonest? Ebiom we use false document. Under part suitability no affect you, but under British citizenship character root no be affect you. Number 7, tax. Enti ansa na wo be no, you sure say we are self-employed, we to your tax. We file tax return. We declare we income. We adwuma ma obi a you're interested in the fact that nipa no otewa utia tax. Because the discrepancies be mu no mu ho a anything our year nationality, you be say or tax office reference number den. Because some person mo kohwe say what the omoka and answer why your boni bi wo ho. Number 8. Esra pa or documents are what they call. You sure say or documents ni nyina are ready. Or passport. Or birth certificate. Win here ba owa eboa because wo maame din wo papa din eye key wo maame date of birth wo papa date of birth eye key baby a yewo wo maame baby a yewo wo papa eye key ana issues to do with documents way saa nneɛma wei nyinaa no wobɔ no tɔfa a nka ɛnhyɛ da nyɛ problem ba wode ne nyinaa bom as one a wamma ha kwan apa so wontua wo tax wakɔgye loans wantua wowɔ ccj wokɔgye council flat wode wokɔ use false document wakɔgye for council flat wogye benefit wode ama obi rent wogye ne sika woyɛ baba woyɛ car wash woyere yɛ adwuma woyere nyɛ adwuma ɔgye benefit woyɛ babere no won declare a week wonya 2000 ne akyiri na ne nyinaa hyɛ botom waba ha COS ebewu yɛsi yɛ fee waiver anaasɛ yɛ uncle anaasɛ grandfather anaa grandmother ɔyɛ EU ni ɔnyɛ EU ni wakɔtwa ntorɔ yɛsi report digital reporting yɛsi bra Croydon fa w'anim bɛkyerɛ wankɔ woba ha wakɔfa obi ba ɛde agu wo COS so home office fo ahu yɛma warning in future ɛbɛyɛ affect your nationality saa nneɛma wei nyinaa mabɔ to wɔ no ɛno ana yɛfrɛ no the hidden rules a ɛno na ɛbɛtumi ayɛ ma wade no ayɛ successful anaa ayɛ na wade no abreki OPD wei ana ɛnɛ mede brɛ mo
okay we na Uncle Ben Eddie Aben ebusua aha yɛ Rainbow 92.4 FM yani ɛyɛ BWF Solicitors ɛna ɛtetwe nkɔmɔ Uncle Ben ɛna ɔte ne nka no ɔde ɛndɛ ɛnso deɛ de abrɛ nti mi yɛhyɛ sɛ wofi wate nkɔmɔ Uncle Ben yɛ di na wo say we dey asɛm Uncle Ben kan de minyanka maybe say question afa ho wo mlenie wo mlenie nti wo nso betumi aba na wabebisa o question na Uncle Ben enso nya adagye ne emre na weyi ano kama ede amo and pay make I say BWF Solicitors ye cha kwan e wo 4th floor Annan House 214-218 Tottenham High Road 7 Sisters 4th floor Annan House 214-218 Tottenham High Road 7 Sisters in your postcode N15 4NP N15 4NP but modern friend your office line was 020-8493-7340 020-8493-7340 emergency line no Sharon Somami 077-1276-1884 077-1276-1884 sorry na wabomodi na wafre ere amana na bibia so etimi ayakama na pay studios line edi juma 020 822-60484 020-822-60484 your WhatsApp line 0777-19-50989 0777-19-50989 your first caller hello good morning.
Good morning, Uncle Ben, Mpacho, and Mr. OPD. Mpacho, Mibicha, Obibia.
Jajo, Subrape, may you.
Mpacho, Mibisa, Sembakoma, Madame Fubako. Mpacho, Oba Kumiano, or you overstay there 4 years. No, sure, baby, on a year, like, or Wareno. You are Wareno. As I say, when you're in, sorry. Yeah, friend say, oh, Wahano. Or more 5 years route. Now, I say, no, when you're a friend saying indefinite. Pacho, time I'll acquire a indefinite, you know, or your life in UK, English, you know. Cecilia Rampacho, my best is English, you know, a very affected in case that's all the British citizen now. A very affected now, Pacho, and not in this man.
Oh, Henry, yes, English no. Afei na ompese almost the next
year. The next year go almost sana.
Almost sana be affect you bia. Obia, why? Obia.
Kembe mpacho so no wedding can use na ye dada no. Wedding can na ye no say wo indefinite no. The okoye be affect na say wedding can use English dada no.
So, Okoye British citizenship, a new application. Enti requirement no English and life in UK. Say English no B2 na ukuta B1 a untimi fanya. Enti abe affect no.
Okay. So.
Okay. Yeah, that's it, pa. Na you call your next caller. So 020 822 484 822 484. Your WhatsApp line so 0777 1950 989 0777 1950 989. Now and also how about to me? I forgot to me the message and I said voice note Eddie Abano Sibi to me abo Eddie and we just to me. I come. Me didn't Eddie Nana to Jago OPD the second. I Rainbow 90.4 FM. Yene Uncle Ben, open for 5 by order a BWF Solicitors and then if you don't want it. Fred, now also for Argentina for my fa, we call away now for the hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Oh no, went to me engine also. Nah, I mean, I said, means to me, I can't wait. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Oh no. Muntimin also. Okay, so over to me after 020-822-60484 020-822-60484. Now also to me the dear SO Eddie Aba. Now be say to me I come on. Me pick a call away now enjoy. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
That's what I want to say.
Hello.
What to say? Whatever, man.
Bacho me who you?
Yeah, but your Uncle Ben 80, whatever, man.
Yeah, I say, brother, be bisa question say na person bisa say eti obia we used to English test B1 or there indefinite leave to remain before no. Now over here naturalization now. Say man is next year March now. Does it mean say ontimi use so English test need be say okwa kotwe fufura na. And a second question. Now Uncle Carl said baby I watch na no. So how will you show the evidence say is it through your council tax na say will show your 5 years or all the address now what tani na how will we get all the address together? Patrol Adaroma.
Yo, enti obi a oya nationality bia no wo upgrade wasetena no from immigration to non-immigration. Enti omo rules. Nationality rules ne say your life in UK na your English. Enti English no ene B1. Enti why we indefinite no why B1 and now we nationality the same B1 will be used. Now next year, March, 26th of March, due. Now, almost a circle B2. Now, we're indefinite. Now, the B1 a year. Now, yes, new rules, a B2. How about the B1? The first that we're using in the past, and it doesn't make any difference. And today, our application, rules now, and then I'm more there. So, I'm more there, no, I'm say, that's fine. But currently, no, rules, they say a B1 life in UK. From 26th of March, rules in say a B2 life in UK. Life in UK, me no can say almost review, almost best syllabus. No, so almost a sign. Now why a life in UK dada? Transitional arrangement are fine, but as it stands, me to be can we use soon and now. I know I'll be to be use. It doesn't work that way. So we have nationality before 6th of March there, and we are guaranteed. After March, rules are on and then I'll be this one. Why?
Okay. All right.
Yeah. And address is now Omo Bisa address nti yɛmfa sɛ number 214 to 218 High Road, London N15 4NP. It will say 2021 to 2022. Maybe April to April now they are show. No, I call current address. Maybe a 1 OPD close. Acacia Road, Chesil, 2022 to 2024, April to April. Now, one. So, how many years with the evidence, Baba? Why?
Okay, yeah, that's it, uncle. All right.
All right. Yeah, so yeah, that's a pa. I mean, go for my next caller. And then, callers, and then me famuna, why? Me famuna, auntie. Mamma, pa, but yeah, me famuna. Young call your next caller, so nothing. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Now, I want to say,
I'm Yadomo.
Mo, Uncle Ben, I crowd with you.
Uncle Ben. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, me better me that was because 4 or 5 years ago, Mubwa me maminya me masetena wahanam. See, I'm using this opportunity to thank you once again.
Yeah, the nyamiase.
Okay.
Yeah, that was so say.
See,
Yeah, no, Obama or my testimony. Yeah, that's the break.
okay. And see, you say I'm ready to say next year, make me apply for my citizenship. Now, say no, the me junior who kese pa ne say 2024 me over speeding ticket. Na omo fine me £100 ti me chia but me chia no speeding ne che me December 2024 into January na me chia £100 but July 2025 and almost I refund it kind of mommy and what omo refund mommy na nchana me nya court letter say me over speeding no me say chia ka foforo which was higher than £400. It's Michia. Michia, we no points, 3 points, to my license. So it's after that, this year, so no, saying another 3 points beam. It is a mania 6 points. It's how will it affect me? Say next year, January, say me apply my citizenship now. How will it affect me? And as I mentioned, years and last na 3 points and lapse and that's it.
Well, so when you're speeding offense, that itself, and your criminal conviction. But over to be was on for up to 4 years. And when you had twice.
I first one 2024, but and on me almost I found this kind of mommy after 8 months. And almost they court letter by say me speeding na minyano 2024 no o man say na my reason be but fine almost am me chia no na higher than £100 no.
Okay, and the same offense now.
They actually the same offense na me chia ho sika no.
Yeah. Yes, the same offense. Bear in mind, speeding offense echo to character. And normally, when you're speeding offense within, I would say about 2 years, almost 4 years, but a few ones are here, even within 1 year, almost allow. And I would say, at least, and I was 2 years, ebegusu. Why?
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Okay. I said that's a pa. Young calling for your next caller. Na yenene entitrim komo. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Abapa, you want to say?
I'm not moving as well.
I don't know.
Yes.
Uncle Ben, so I cried with you.
Uncle Ben, last year, I was Mr. Indefinite.
Oh, wow.
I'm trying to be a Juma community. Maintaining Amen.
Amen.
And the question was, I said, October, and I was a year, citizenship. Tamber was a meeting, has said, Mayor. And then the question is, Busan, and our
What's October? I'll qualify for indefinite stay.
And I was a passport. No.
Oh, yeah, British citizen.
Citizenship.
Okay. Yes, I was a citizenship there. Say 5 years, I was when you 5 years on the paper and son. Why?
But yeah, 5 years, I indefinitely.
Oh, indefinite 1 year ba.
1 year October.
Until October, when you 1 year now. Oh, when you're a British now.
EU.
And yeah, I was so trying October. To October, when you 1 year no, because we are British.
What's your car?
It's your company, Michelle, what you say?
Okay. And so that's it. And so that's what I say, Michelle also. Na young kofa, your next caller. Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Oba pa na want to say.
Onyame agaro ma me pacho na monsure.
Adumno do so pa na nkebe na eka do ti o.
Uncle, good morning, BM.
Morning.
That was no way you my power at the Bois Ghanaian community. Onyame shira not so kwana no be.
Madam say.
Na me pacho pacho my question is meaning so ka good character ni one. Na me kunu Eunice, but manya Karim Karim case no na de we me na fa amani ena me be wo ye ba me gina me ba ni so enya indefinite it ni ena me ye overstay am so me pese me bisa say eno no so wo di kwakoji o British booker o koye naturalization na omo be used to as good character na
Wow, overstay a can good character. Obi a overstay for more than 14 days first na 28 days. Almost a sign. Almost about 39E. SUI 13.1. More than 14 days. But I know interest you be refuse you. Because I walk on or about her.
about you
Ọmọ di ahẹ.
1610
Okay. Wọ́n mọ adwuma bẹ́ẹ̀ na wọ́yẹ.
Sarah and I'm Christian.
Nti mo saa no mo som mo menim sɛ wohwɛ TV a Parliament ɔmo ko ama ɔmo yɛ ka adwuma. The new prime minister ɔko ama ɔmo yɛ ka adwuma. Ɛnura wotie na ɔsɛ mo a mo yɛ ka no ɛwɔ sɛ etua mo kasen obiara wɔ kurom ha. Nti the fact sɛ woyɛ care work ma wo adwuma mu ma wo reference na woyɛ wo application na because sɛ overstay yɛ no a wɔbɛtumi use against you no wobɛtumi de aka ho na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ affect wo why nti mo a moyɛ care mo a moyɛ adwuma wɔ NHS mo sombo yɛyɛ lawyers yɛde yɛne OPD journalists ɔmo yɛnhu ni mfasoɔ mo sombo obiara nti mo ne yɛhwɛ mo why
Okay, Uncle Ben, me had my NHS and I'm access to nursing.
What the end there? We were double portion.
And oh dear, the more the more the and it's a mere Diana Wakame. Why? Now, bye bye. I will call next caller soon after. Oh, corner decline. And Pacho, over to me as I've been one. If you didn't reject a call, not if I change na 020-822-60484 020-822-60484 and to do like said Juma. Before I know back at Sano, but your body answer over here, BW Solicitors HR quite our 4th floor and house 214-218 Tottenham High Road, Seven Sisters. Your postcode N15 4NP. N15 4NP. And your postcode. And Tibomadian say, we're here, Chakwa, now you say to me, I come over. Now, what free and office line, said about when you know, no, what free and office line was 020-84-9373-40. 020-84-9373-40. Emergency line or 077-1276. 1884. No afraid now. Be also to me. I come. Good morning.
Good morning.
Dapper, what is it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but don't catch you.
Mr. OPD.
Get him as if Dabber come. Whatever. Uncle Betty, you.
Uncle Ben Pacho, good morning.
Good morning.
Uncle Ben Pacho. My question is, me what 10 years routine so. My first If I say, application, almost issue me application, on the 16th of February 2016, and we issue me first one at the mommy. My last one me in 2014, and we issue mommy November 14, 2024. Me pachoa say we issue mommy 16th. 16th of February 2016. And last one, we issue my 2024. But almost say me visa ne be June 2027. Me patwa in this case, that being and also me application because some of the first one me 2016. And I mean, I'm 2026 and come my bro 10 years. But me last visa should be 2027 June. The person who said, "Make me a long residence, for 2026 Nesua na the patrol."
But your month ben at the mouth 2016.
First one, over the mommy, 16th of February 2016.
But your wapa Hawaii, February, January when our pa.
It's January when I'm buy.
And our pa, unya 10 years. Into wapa.
Okay. It's Mr. In this case, I may application form Ben may use LR now because the last time I saw some use forms of AR. Na minya be form a yima me by AR from AR. AR, yes.
Administrative review.
Resident.
No, adult dependent. Oh, yeah, me pacho. Mr. Yen use form dean bium. Okay? And to say what they say, I am very tricky. And to be used to adult dependent relative. But I did also with the shame no. Who call online now they are shame adult dependent relative. And yet from Ella and yet long residence. Adult dependent relative. Apart from marriage, M and a family, F. Obi or application biara is either a set O, which is all original, and I say we use to adult dependent relative. Or call online, or they call Google, or reading our call home office website. And I bet your application now bit me here. What they will question the shall be here about why. Memo be a mouth form AR nay BBA, or be confuse you. Why?
But may issue adult dependent relative form.
And then now be used to. And to make application for indefinite leave to remain as an adult dependent relative.
Okay. In Michelle, we need him. In this case, now, me need to make claim for the June 2027. No, make me iron now because there was a fall.
I'm saying I'm American. I'm a Sumaya or dead. Me say how pa okra. Opa who January because to me the 28 before 10 years. No. I was assume that there we are yanka bakra because 6 months a term. By now, why?
Me patch you. Me that's the bell.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah, I don't need no. Okay. So far so good. My uncle I could be on the interest any Pamela so be take side of it me chere podcast and I work in kind message kakra and then me phone no have me pant me Facebook na de no. See anke be say wo hu ho a na wa hwa ma me na ye de no so aka ho wada ma.
Mpacho Pamela why kradwa manenko. Is Pamela there?
Good
Okay.
morning, OPD. Good morning, Mr. Wusu. Good morning to all our lovely viewers. Today, our topic is on British citizenship in 2026, the hidden rules that could make or break your application. So, to begin with, it's important to note that even if you have your indefinite leave to remain in the UK, it does not guarantee that you will get your British citizenship. If you want to apply for a British citizenship, it's important that you have the indefinite leave to remain. However, it doesn't mean that if you have that indefinite leave to remain, you are guaranteed British citizenship once you apply for it. So you have to look at the following things when you are going to apply for British citizenship. If you are in the UK under the 5 year rule, to leave to remain under the 5 year rule, you have to make sure that you have lived in the UK continuously, and then that your continuous residence in the UK has to be legal. So if you are in the UK and you have overstayed, or maybe your first application when you made it and it was decided, when they gave you your 2.5, it expired and you overstayed for more than 14 days before putting in your application, or you applied for a fee waiver and when your decision came, it took you more than the 10 working days given to you to make your application. You are not protected under Section 3C, it means you overstayed your leave. It could affect you negatively when you're applying for your British citizenship application. So you have to also write to explain maybe any mitigating circumstances you have when you're making the application as to why maybe you overstayed. Maybe you have children in the UK, you have family in the UK, you have a life in the UK. You can explain these mitigation circumstances to the Home Office. You also have to meet the residential requirement. This is just, you should not have lived outside the UK for more than 90 days in a year. So with your continuous residence, if you are traveling, please do not exceed 90 days in a year. That means if in the 5 years, you shouldn't have exceeded more than 450 days. And if you are married to a British citizen, means you have to prove continuous residence for 3 years instead of 5 years. And within those 3 years, it's also important that you do not live outside the UK for more than 90 days in a year, or for more than 270 days in the 3 years. If you've been out of the UK for more than the 450 or the 270 days, you can also write to the Home Office and explain why. If you have any mitigating circumstances, you can explain that this and this are the reasons why I stayed out of the UK for this long, so that they can use their discretion to grant you your British citizenship. You also have to look at the good character requirements. You have to make sure that when you are putting in any application, you do not use deception, you do not provide false information. Some people are bankrupt, they do not declare it. Some people have participated in fraud. So maybe you're not supposed to receive benefits, but you have applied for benefits and you are receiving benefits. Some people are not paying their taxes. Some people are owing the NHS or are owing the government. Maybe you had a judicial review and you lost your case and you are owing the government and you did not pay. All of that can affect you negatively when it comes to the good character requirement. And that could in turn affect you when you are making your British citizenship application. From 10th of February 2025 as well, people who came into the UK illegally um, are affected when they are making their British citizenship applications, and that they might not be able to get their citizenship in the UK. So if you entered the UK with a wrong passport or a different date of birth or a different nationality, you could also potentially not get your British citizenship when you are applying for it. So if you are also not supposed to be working and you are working, so maybe you are breaching the terms of your immigration rules as well. So you've gotten certain requirements on your visa and you are breaching those requirements or those rules. You could also be affected when you're applying for a British citizenship. So you have to look at all of those things. And when you are making your application, please have all your documents ready. You should also explain any mitigating factors that affect you. And there's also exceptional grounds that the Home Office could use, and then they will use their discretion to grant you your British citizenship. So please, even if you have maybe overstayed or illegal entry, there might be exceptional grounds. You also may have mitigating circumstances. You explain to the Home Office, you write it, and then you use their rules, which can be found in their guidance notes, to back your case, and then you could potentially be granted your British citizenship. This is me, and I hope this helps all of us today. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Okay. Thank you, Pamela. Yes, I was having problem on my TikTok. My TikTok viewers were saying your voice was low, so I think we'll take it like that. My main call Uncle Ben when I feel young kwaji the last of mission of him for Jimmy Denny and Berry and nation and take it over. Now be saying to me and ya kama cows are high Rainbow 92.12 FM midi Eddie Nanato to Jago OPD the second. I pay me na metina kunya kasemu Eddie Jimmy the Ebro. My call Uncle Ben when I feel many Uncle Ben I could be in a crack. Uncle Ben, have you yan sorrow swear Wadauroma?
Your OPD, yeah, that's ain't I want to talk someone where British citizenship. The fact that we indefinite leave no any guarantee. Yeah, sure, say we did be.
We the facha pa mensa akwesisu call bi aba na mensa akwesisu na who sara akwede for we twa to mami why Wadauroma. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
We see your bar. Yeah, your voice me the jam. We di control Steve. About what to say?
Actually, who is it?
Yeah, then me see. Uncle Bennett, you. But it's your last caller.
Yo, that's it. Good morning, Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
That question, behalf of me, your Berma. Obaha as student, and after the student visa, no, on your graduate route visa. Graduate route visa anytime, no, na open sponsorship ni for a juma but 1 year into or year private life visa, but no was refused after like 1 year of waiting. And I refused no year FLR, and also was refused. And I said go for year appeal. But during that time, like the partner or Wahano, they were able to get him on the marriage route. And as you see, I am 2.5 years. After 2.5 years, so basically I renew. The partner knew a British citizen. And to me, because about time I say on apply for citizenship, no, over train 5 years, no, and now I say because we're married British citizen, no, obey 3 years, and now yes, no, how is it going to be like because of gaps and the visas, no.
Ganyo Jibo.
Oh, fine,
Oh, mini Jobe.
Sharon.
Oh, Sharon. Sete.
Oh, fine, Juba.
Okay. Ke moko ebabieni e overstay. E woko kwe boni ogbasane e wo ha. Eba sheheko ni e afe private life. Me susu ake time na efe na ani enu mi e shihela e bie. Na refuse le afe no kweko, le afe no kweko. Ke ekpe moko ni bia na ina indefinite leave. Ibanya Efe nationality within because a 5 year route Ibanya Efe nationality biane. Wo he yan ba me. Ono.
This year no need na wolo it was 2.5 years ago inaku yet.
Oh, Pakwa had 2.5 years. But it's an indefinite. Can indefinite after 5 years that they apply for British citizenship. Oh no.
Okay. Eunice, so far rado.
Wabeshida. Yo, Obagbasan.
Fine.
No, few. Ofane, bye bye.
Bye.
Ofane, Nana Mati. Angibe, or you like the Navy.
Okay, enti ye born a tougher. Obi a person with British citizenship, yeah, quite well. Ye sure, sir, Udim Ranaso. Why your life in UK? Why English? Ye sure, sir, why overstayed that? Ube explaining. Ye sure, sir, fine. Fine, yeah, automatic to say be a driving offense. And yet, automatic say you refuse you, but I was so explaining. Ye sure, sir, why overstayed that? Woyɛ adwuma te sɛ care NHS a ɛno bɛtumi aboa wo yɛhwɛ sɛ wode ka wamfa kwan pa so na ɛbaeɛ a yɛhwɛ sɛ wo explaini ɛno nso bɛtumi aboa wo wowɔ mma wɔ ha a explaini woyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ care home anaasɛ old people's home anaasɔre koraa woyɛ biribi wɔ hɔ a unfortunately yɛn yɛ sɔre na ɔmo kɔ na yɛ ɔmo star nsom asɔre te sɛ Catholic ne Roman Catholic Anglican ne nneɛma but ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ wɔde letter no kɔ a ɛmmoa reference bi a obi ade bɛma obi a ɛyɛ nti indefinite nyɛ guarantee but wobɛtumi ama no ayɛ almost guarantee OPD yɛda mo ase nti obi apɛ sɛ ɔba ha OPD baabi a yɛwɔ no ɛbɛto dwa sisi a
powerful anti abusua said Uncle Ben kana wohwehwɛ yɛ kyira kwan a mpacho yɛwɔ hold on for me baby sisi a nti BWF Solicitors na yɛde mo twetwe nkomo na Uncle Ben and your penny coffee ba wode Jimeko ya no na no pay on ya twetwe nkomo about immigration issues a obeboa pa especially eba na wale mu a on de wa kwadal power ya emblem meka Ghana ya emblem no akwadal mu pa nka nkofo di so mu de mana nka switcha nka ntokwa koso nka switcha enti bomade na yehwe echa akwan ya 4th floor Anan House you were 214-218 Tottenham High Road 7 Sisters bomade na G postcode N15 4NP N15 4NP and the postcode here phone number which me after in office like 020-8493-7340 bomodina jina mani bi hu hia me papa 020-8493-7340 na watro kama emergency line and no de we anadwo kra ofra kr na dem eno so yebefa na bibia so etimi akama 077 1276 1884 nenti amebo bon boko me na bi endra one me ko sa so opiri uko radio so bo no ma de electono ma na mesro 077 1276 1884 eno emergency number ofra anadwo kra ofra yebeje so ne no watwetwe nkomo na bibia so etimi akama mo ye Ghana for mo ha nso de yenso yeba edemam na bibia so etimi akama nti ene aha na yede djumadi ni yansi BWF Solicitors ana ye no mo twetwe nkomo medin de na na to jago OPD de second memfa nchia sonko emfa ma obi biara otie yan ene wonso a utimi edo contribution edeba no mo ina ye chia mo na afi no nchia sonko nkoma mi bo Dr. Mark nchia sonko na mede mo na afi me ma me madam Ajoba Felicity nchia sonko enkomo mama Gata o Leicester e bana Ghanaian community food o chale oya de onua kenka ne kenka na so twan te se tai no no so obi ni bi di bomodin na wahwehwe ne cha kwa Leicester na mo duan papa mo wedi ana pay sorry akọ na ye akọ na wo de unity link na be sen niska mesro wo sen niska kofia bomodin sa wo de unity link be sen niska na kodu fi asomdwi mu na se de be ya ebusuanfo nso betumi ansa kasika wo de wo fa ase wo maame eyi no mo ye no contractor no hiska de aye ejuma nka na mo ni na unity link fa sen niska rate no de ye papa na fa sen niska na enko na bibia so ntumi akama bomodin ase say wo de unity link sen niska na sa asam kra ba ho a time cool wo de nyabotre wo fra unity link for mbabo modin aso wo problem da mo asam krampo de amba mpo nanka abana sa nti bomodin na fa unity link seniska anapei amu ona muso yin asin ye de jimadi yare blowa me kwa so ana say Uncle Joe e ba be take over now the next show so e take ere atwa so ere amo medin edna na to jago OPD de saka nti sa anapei sa wanti en kabi mo na tese enu edinka advert we sia bene we edinka me call.
This is our world.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.